What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are two or more words that, when combined, become a new verb. Here are 16 common phrasal verbs and how to use them. Break in means to enter illegally. For example, the robbers break in and steal diamonds. Break up means to disperse. For example, the police break up the riot. Break out means to escape. For example, the children break out of the classroom. Break down means to explain. For example, can you break down this math problem for me? Put up with means to tolerate. For example, Jane had to put up with a loud snorer last night. Put off means postpone something. For example, the city had to put off the parade because of the storm. By the way, if you want to practice your grammar, I have workbooks you can do. Learn more about them at payhip.com/WRL. I'll link it in the description and in my bio. Now back to the lesson. Put down means to record something. For example, can I put down your phone number and information? Put aside means to disregard. For example, I'll put aside my feelings for this meeting. Come about means to happen. For example, how did that argument come about? Come up with means to produce something. For example, Kate can come up with a solution later today. Coming along means to make progress. For instance, Katie's solution is coming along. Come forward means to volunteer oneself to give evidence. For example, the witnesses come forward to tell the detectives the truth. Make off with means to steal something. For example, the kids make off with the jars. Make up means to reconcile. For example, the father and son make up after their argument. Make up for means to compensate. For example, Stella will make up for the time she missed. Last, make out means to imply something about a person or thing. For example, Ken is not as they make him out to be. Hope this helped you, and remember to like and subscribe for more lessons.